Now let's bake the textures. I'm going to import, not this way. I need to create first of all new bake project, and we need to load these two
As you can see, the naming works correctly.
The only thing that we're gonna do is to create another material.
Let's add color on the material to see if everything works well.
Here it is, and first of all we're gonna just bake it. Normal, curvature and ambient, and also we need to uncheck this box, otherwise it will bake on the head the cloth. It will give us black dots. And let's bake it. Also we need to change the samples to 32, change the location to let's start baking. After baking we need just to press this button, preview material, and you can see that it works. We need to adjust it a few parts, and after it will work perfectly. First of all, let's see where we can find the problems. We see that here the cage is not catching the Highpoly mesh, also this part. Let's see what we can do. Paint offset, and first of all let's find how we can fix these parts. As you can see, I'm just painting. I think that it will work. Okay, now it works good. Let's also find on these parts there can be a lot of problems, but first of all let's uncheck this box also, because we don't need them to be shown, and let's start just to
Paint very carefully here.
let's see what happens here. Of course there can be some problems that need to be adjusted by hand. I mean, you can fix some problems really fast in Photoshop, but I think that we will not have that kind of problems. But we see here that we are getting this problem. Just move. Okay, let's uncheck it. So you know what we can do? We can uncheck pullback faces to see where are the problematic places. Here we got that places and on this part, but otherwise on this area everything looks good. Let's see, can we fix it here or we need to fix the parts in Photoshop or maybe Substance Painter. Okay, let's see one more time. Check, uncheck to see the problem, and let's find it. The best solution will be to make
Custom cage by hand in modeling program.
it will take too long time.
We can't fix these kind of parts with just painting offset. That's why we need to fix it in Substance Painter or maybe in Photoshop. And of course, we need to change the texture size to 4K.
You can also change the lighting to see it in more dramatic way. I think it works really good.
Nice, we are done. Let's move to the texturing stage.